everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm bringing you something a little different, a project that combines play, beauty, and meaning. I've taken simple wooden ping pong paddles from Amazon and turned them into something truly unique and gift-worthy for the holidays. I wanted the natural beauty of this wood to shine through, so I didn't prime this surface. Instead, I layered the rose quartz extreme sheen and Liquitex soft body iridescent rich silver. The result? A luminous finish where the natural wood grain peeks through like a pattern designed by nature itself. To give this piece its heart, I used Iron Orchard Designs 2025 Christmas Wishes Angel Stamp. Yes, I stamped this in copper. This is the Brilliance permanent ink, and by double stamping this, I created a soft blurred effect, almost like a vision of an angel appearing before you. I added some delicate touches of color with a Spectrum Noir sparkle pen in rose quartz and accented it in a green jelly roll for shimmer. Just above the handle, I placed a tiny crystal, just because a little bling makes everything festive. Finally, I sealed the paddles with layers of pearlized Mod Podge spray, giving them a protective and glowing finish. I took out one of those beautiful deer Christmas bags that I recently purchased, just to show you what a beautiful gift that this would make for someone who loves their game room and loves decorating for the holidays. Now, let's talk about why I chose an angel for this project. Angels are symbols of protection, hope, and guidance. They remind us that we are never truly alone. Sometimes angels come to us in ways we can see, through acts of kindness, through friends who lift us, through family who stand by our side. Other times, they come quietly, as unseen strength when we need it the most. And sometimes, angels walk among us, disguised as ordinary people. People who show up with a warm smile, a thoughtful word, or a helping hand, just when we need it. When we think of angels, we often picture radiant beings with wings, watching over us from above, such as the beautiful angel in this stamp collection. But in truth, angels show up in many forms. As we step into October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I can't help but think about angels in a much deeper way. October is just around the corner. For anyone who has faced breast cancer, whether personally or alongside a loved one, the journey is never walked alone. Angels surround us in so many forms. The doctors, the nurses, and caregivers who fight besides patients every single day. And let's not forget the researchers, the quiet angels working behind the scenes, dedicating their lives to finding better treatments and one day a cure. The family members and friends who give strength and comfort through laughter, through tears, or just a quiet presence. The survivors who shine as beacons of hope for those newly diagnosed, and the angels we can no longer see, who've left this world too soon, but continue to live in our memories, in our hearts, and in the pink ribbons we wear. These angels remind us why awareness matters, why research matters, and why community matters. October 29th and October 30th, we'll be joining together for something very special. With love, light, and pink beyond the ribbon. This worldwide collaboration is a gathering of angels in the form of creators, each offering their talents, their voices, and their art to raise awareness and to honor those affected by breast cancer. Here's a sneak preview of the artists. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. I want to invite you to join me and all these amazing artists for a global collaboration. This is very close to my heart. It's a breast cancer awareness collaboration, October 29th and 30th. See down below for the times. This year we're creating a wall of names, a place that you can lovingly honor those we've lost and to lift up those who are still fighting with all their strength. October 12th will be the cutoff date for the names, so we can get that included on the wall. Please see below for all the information. Every creator in this collaboration is like an angel, lending their wings to help us soar higher together. Some will share stories, some will create art. Some will dedicate their videos to loved ones. Together, we will form a community of remembrance, of love, and of hope. And you, the viewers, are part of this angel family too. You can share our videos when you leave a comment, and you can add a name to the wall of names. You are spreading the light. Even the smallest action of ripples, every gesture becomes part of the healing. So remember, angels don't always wear halos or have feathers. Angels are here among us in our everyday acts of kindness, in our community, and in the love we give freely. Before I close, I want to thank my subscribers, my beautiful members. Your added support means the world to me, and when times are low, it really keeps me going. And every single person who supports this channel. Whether you've joined $1 in a dream, given a super thanks, or simply taken the time to watch and share, you are angels too. Your encouragement makes it possible for me to keep creating, keep storytelling, and keep building the connections through art. So today, as I hold this paddle painted with an angel, I hope you'll see it not just as a holiday decoration, but as a reminder that angels are real, that angels protect us, and they walk beside us, and sometimes they live within us. Thank you for being here. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Until next time. I Choose Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. Have a great week, everyone.